I can charge.
Oh shit! Hold on, buddy. Oh, I'm trapped! Help me! Help me!
I don't know where you are, babe! I'm killing the Mercy!
I got trapped.
I'm dead! No!
Our team sucks.
Joey! I'm killing the Mercy!
You left me!
I'm sorry. We can do it again. We can do it. To be fair, our whole team died, so fuck them.
Did you guys win?
No.
We got left
why not?
behind.
We were the last two, and then you kind of missed it, Hunter. It was a good time.
No, it wasn't.
Joey got trapped, and I ran away, and...
So it sounds like Joey got left behind, not you.
I
Yeah.
needed you, and you weren't there.
You weren't there. I was killing their Mercy. Which I didn't kill. Come on, Fist.
Did or didn't?
Try me.
They
I
have a
didn't.
Bastion.
Die!
I love Bastion, don't you?
No.
And a Torb. They have a Torb!
No.
And a Bastion. And
Imagine.
a Pharah.
Who's with me?
And a Hanzo and a Roadhog.
Oh, Lord
Are they
Jesus.
and a Doomcock.
Torb dead. Who is that? Ash? Is that who's with me?
Just give up if you're not gonna do it.
Shut up! Shut up! What the fuck was that?!
Oh my god.
I told you.
Oh my god. Can you tell we lost?
I need to switch back
Oh
to
my god. Oh my god.